Hey there, my name is Jamin and today I will show you how to recover data from any external device, any pen drive, any internal hard disk or any device from your computer. So sometimes people think that after deleting that file or that data they can't recover their data, and they give this work to the developer and give the huge amount of money for the recovering important data. So now after this tutorial you can do recovery with your own, and it's totally free. So this is the here is the software, and the name is Photorec, PHOTOREC, and it is absolutely free. There is no any cost or any charge. So today I will show you that how to install this software in Ubuntu and how to run, and I will give one example, like just I delete this file and I recover this file after using this software whose name is Photorec. So first I delete this file, in recycle bin it's gone, and I empty trash, so there is no possibility of recover, and I recover this file, this image file. Okay, so empty trash. After that I open terminal and write the code, uh, write here sudo apt hyphen get in small, sorry, sudo space apt install test disk and enter. Sudo apt minus मतलब means hyphen get space install space test disk, enter. Sudo password for Jamin means you want to enter the your own password. Here it's not shown, but it's written here, but it's not shown by the user, so you must want to put your password and enter. After putting your password, the setup is run, and then you want to write PHOTOREC, so and enter. So it shows that continue previous session, so I tried this 2 times, that's why it asks like that. So I am give n for no. So here your browser shows like that, so you want to do proceed, enter. Or for Linux and for Ubuntu user you want to select Linux, so enter. Then you want to select ext2 and ext3, so enter. Then for free it's scan only free partition, and for whole option means it's scan the whole partition, whole hard disk. So if we put whole, then it's benefit for us, so we must want to select whole, and we want to choose a path, but the path is default for free version, it's given by the software, and if we have paid version then they give the facility of path. So here is just for formality, so I am choosing just desktop and press C. Here shows that C when the destination is correct, so I am press C, and the setup is running on. And after some JPG file I have stopped this process because I want to show you just JPG file which I deleted. So here 1 hour and 49 minute shows, so we don't want to wait till 1 hour, so I'll stop that. After here you can show that 13 JPG recover, but you want to, what you want to do is you want to completed this time duration and complete the whole process. Now I am stop this process, and just because I want to just show you this software is running and how this software is running, that's why I stop this process and show you the JPG file where saved and where we want to open this JPG file. So S for stop. Answer Y for real liquid. Yes. So 3972 file saved in this path, and you can open this path here, home, and you shows these three folder in your computer. So after one by one you want to check that this file is available or not, but I am doing this many times, that's why it shows in last one. Here you can show this. So I am opening this and just check the file is available or not. This is my all deleted files, previously deleted files, and the recovery comes. So yes, here the file is. So you can see the JPG file is now recovered. So that type we can install and doing the recovery process. So thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and like my video. And if you have any query or any question or any error, then please comment me. I will definitely give you answer. Thank you for watching my video.